Welcome to this tutorial on how to create stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when they come across your video. So it's important to make them eye-catching, engaging. In this tutorial, we will go over some tips and tools to help you create stunning thumbnails that will grab audience attention. In this tutorial, I will tell you that how to make this type of thumbnails in just 3 minutes. So let's roll. First of all, let me tell you a stunning thumbnail consists of 5 properties. Number 1 is use high quality images, keep it simple, use contrast, use templates, test and optimize. So let's move that how I made this tutorial. So let's to make this kind of thumbnail we will need certain resources. For example, we will need free pick and we will need PowerPoint. We have to remove the background of certain pictures and we have to need the thumbnail downloader. So let's roll. Name it to. This video is only for education purpose. So please take it lightly. We will search background themes in freepik.com and we will download a theme that we like most. Okay, so for download. And drag it in the okay, let's make a new one. Control A and now again drag it to the presentation. Make it slide. Okay. Now I need a handsome person to include in my video. Handsome male pointing fingers. Now re-download and let's use it in our theme. Let it drag it. We can insert picture from here. Photo album. No picture. And from download. Okay. Now remove the background. We can remove the background from this software. Okay. You change. That is good. So next we will drag our 3 thumbnails that we downloaded. Again, insert picture. Okay. Medium symbol. And the same size. Okay. Now we will do some text effect. How to make it separate. Now change the font style. Color it. It is quite bold, so make it uh, how to how to.
Now I am repeating the process. You just have follow the footsteps. Just click, just follow the cursor, just follow the buttons. Just do as I do. Here I am speeding the process. Just follow around. Please keep in mind, this is just a demo. You can spend more time, you can do more variations, and you can do more quality. So that's it for now. Now you have to save it. Make sure you click the export button and save as JPEG or PNG, and you are done. This is just a demo. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. And please do comment if you like or do not like. I will try to give this template. Uh, I will upload it in the Google Drive and share it in the description. Till then, I hope see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.